Hey guys, my name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So welcome to festive month on my channel wherein I am posting videos every single day for 30 days straight, starting from the 10th of October to the 10th of November. So if you have missed out on any of my previous uploads, do check them right away like after watching this video, and also stay tuned on my channel for my upcoming videos. Subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new uploads, because there's going to be a lot of helpful content for you all. So starting with today's video, I'm going to show you how you can replace your sanitary napkins, your sanitary pads with panty liners. Now when I say this, it's a really controversial statement. You cannot completely replace your sanitary pads with panty liners, but yes, you can replace them to a certain extent, and I'm going to show you how. So firstly, for all those of you who do not know what panty liners are, well, they look exactly like your sanitary pads, but they are quite thin. They are thinner than your normal sanitary pads, and they also have this pink lining sort of going on the middle. That is so that it can absorb any of the fluids that your vagina excretes. Now how you're supposed to use a panty liner is that just remove the butter paper from the back of the panty liner and stick it to your panties, and then just wear your panties and you are done with it. So how you can replace your sanitary pads with panty liners is that some people do not have a proper flow of blood during their periods. So for some people, what happens is that on the first day of their periods they get very little flow. That's just like 3 to 4 drops throughout the day. So why waste a sanitary pad for just 3 to 4 drops when you can use a panty liner instead? Because it's got a pink color thing going on in here which absorbs all the fluid, it's going to absorb that blood too. So you can use this instead of the pad on the first day of your periods if you have like really little flow, and similarly you can use this for the last 2 days of your periods when you have like very little flow. Like I use this during the last 2 days of my periods, that is the 5th day and the 6th day. So on the 5th and the 6th day I use panty liners instead of sanitary pads, and I keep changing them every 8 hours. So I usually use like 3 panty liners throughout the day, and that just helps me save a lot of money that I would usually spend on sanitary pads. And sanitary pads are not biodegradable. They take thousands of years to degrade. So if you want to do something for the environment, then just replace your last 2 days or your first day with a panty liner, thereby saving a lot of sanitary pads. Now coming to the brand, well, I use Everteen Panty Liners, and these have 100% cotton top sheet. So the top sheet that you see over here is 100% cotton, which actually enables you to use it for so many other reasons, which I will come to later on. So coming back to Everteen Panty Liners, they give you 30 panty liners for 166 rupees only, which is so much cheaper than when you buy sanitary pads. The expiry of this box is 36 months, that is 3 years, so you can easily use all of these 30 panty liners in 3 years. And the best part about buying this brand, that is Everteen, is that they give you all the panty liners individually wrapped. So when you remove a panty liner from here, it's wrapped exactly like how a sanitary pad would be wrapped. So you can open this up and then use it. It's wrapped really securely, so you don't have to worry about any hygiene issues. Okay, so apart from replacing your sanitary pads with panty liners, you can also use them for other purposes. So if you have any kind of wet discharge during a certain time of your month, then you can use panty liners during those times, and that will ensure that your panty does not get dirty. Also, if you're the kind of a person who sweats a lot down there, and if you don't like wearing cotton panties, and if you have a lot of silk panties or a lot of other materials which don't really help your vagina to breathe, then you can just wear any panty, any fabric of your choice, and then just apply a panty liner on your panty and get done with it. Since this has a 100% cotton top sheet, it's going to absorb all of the sweat, and it's going to ensure that your vagina does not smell bad, because when you sweat a lot, there's a lot of bad odor that comes. So with the help of this panty liner, you can prevent that bad odor. Also, if you don't have control over your pee, well, this happens to me sometimes when you are out and you don't have access to a proper washroom and you want to pee very badly, and then finally when you get home and you rush to the bathroom, some of the pee comes, it just comes out before you have even removed your panties. So this is gonna save you from that. So if you do not have control over your pee, then you can use this. And one more thing that happens to me a lot is that when I laugh too much, when I'm watching like stand-up comedy videos, or you know, for whatever reason, if I laugh a lot, I do release a few droplets of pee onto my panty. And to avoid that, you can also use panty liners. So you can wear them every single day. They are completely safe to wear every day, and you can also keep them for your last 2 days of periods, or the times when you discharge a lot, or the times when you're wearing a different fabric which is not going to help your vagina breathe. So there are a lot of different reasons why you can wear panty liners. They are 100% safe. One thing that you want to remember is that do not flush them. They are recyclable. So just wrap them in some newspaper and throw them into the dustbin, or you can even use the outer cover of the panty liners to you know, wrap them and then throw them. So yes, that was my video on panty liners, and the ones that I have been using are by Everteen. They are super affordable, easily available, and they have a 100% cotton sheet. So I highly recommend these. And if you use panty liners for any other purposes apart from the ones that I have spoken about in this video, then let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to try different ways of using panty liners. So that was my video on panty liners. I hope this video was helpful for you all, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell icon to be notified about all of my upcoming videos, because I have this festive month going on my channel, wherein I'm uploading videos every single day, so you don't want to miss out on any of my new uploads. So that's all about today. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.